Hello, I'm Mark, a team member at Rooted. With staff members, you're trying to make sure they will have everything they will need to be successful, from email address to access to organizational resources. What if there was something that could give them access to organizational information with a simple login? Today, we will ask the question, what is Azure Active Directory? From Microsoft's perspective, Azure Active Directory is a cloud-based identity and access management service. This service helps your employees access external resources such as Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and thousands of other SaaS applications. Azure Active Directory was first introduced in 2015 by Microsoft. When Microsoft released Active Directory domain services with Windows 2000, you had the ability to manage multiple on-location infrastructure components and systems using a single identity per user. With Azure AD, they brought in the ability to use identity as a service. This gives the user the ability to access all their apps, either via the cloud or on location. Azure AD gives the users access to external resources like Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and other software as a service applications. It also gives users access to internal resources like apps on your company network and any other cloud-based apps used by your organization. Who uses Azure AD? IT admins. It gives your IT management the ability to have control over what apps users have access to. You can also set the ability to require multi-factor authentication when trying to access company resources. App developers. Azure AD gives an app developer the ability to leverage single sign-on, allowing it to work with the user's pre-existing credentials. Microsoft 365, Office 365, Azure, or Dynamics CRM online subscribers. With having any one of these accounts, you are already seeing Azure AD at work. You can start managing the access to any of your cloud-based apps. Why should you use Azure AD with your organization? Azure AD helps businesses streamline processes and improve productivity and security. You also could leverage a single sign-on solution to give users access to the applications they need. Having Azure AD working for your organization really can help to ensure that your employees have access to the information they need. If you need help understanding how Azure AD can work for your organization, or assistance with technical issues, at Rooted, we are ready to help today. To get started, submit a ticket at support.rootedconsulting.org. Schedule an appointment with our team, and let's get connected for streamlined and smooth support.